Today, I want to explain to you how to have more than one wallet, more than one Trust Wallet account in one Trust Wallet app. Now, this is a single Trust Wallet app which I downloaded, but I have more than one Trust Wallet account on it. For example, come to settings, then come to wallets. Can you see it now? I have three wallets. This is wallet 2. This is main wallet 2. Let's check again. I still have main wallet 3. The address in this wallet is different from the address in other two wallets. So all the addresses are different. I can use any of them to receive money. Do you understand me now? So do you add more Trust Wallet accounts to your Trust Wallet app? Coming back to the main page also, this is the main page. As this is my Trust Wallet 3. For example, if you want to add another new Trust Wallet, just come here, then come to Wallets. Click on Wallets, then click on this plus sign here, then click on Add. Now, I don't have a Trust Wallet. If you choose this one, it will want you to import your Trust Wallet phrase, but no, click on I don't have a wallet. Once you click on it, then it will come here. So you can just back up manually. If you choose this to bring this out, so that you can get your recovery phrase before you can copy and save your recovery phrase somewhere that is very safe, or you can write it down, then click on continue. So we want you to put in the Trust Wallet phrase one by one, but I don't have time for that now. So I can just make it to be very simple for me. Just come here, then click on I don't have Trust Wallet. Instead of coming to this place, so just click on backup later. Immediately a new wallet is opened. I have four. I have four Trust Wallet accounts. Now I can add more to make it five. Once I come here, then I click on I don't have a wallet. So then I can add more. You see that I have main wallet 5. So you can add 10, you can add any amount you want, but don't forget your recovery phrase. You need to make sure you save it. Now, for example, if you want to get your recovery phrase from any of this now, maybe you want to write it down or you want to save it somewhere, just come to this three dots here. You can see they have their own three dots. So just come to this three dots here. Then click on this manual backup. Then you can put in your password or any security that is on your phone. And don't forget to mark this part. If you mark it, then it will open the recovery phrase for you. So don't forget to keep each recovery phrase safe so that you can always use this Trust Wallet account when you buy a new phone or you change your device. So don't forget that. Today, I just taught you how to have multiple Trust Wallet accounts in your Trust Wallet application. Downloading one Trust Wallet account, one Trust Wallet application, you can have more than one Trust Wallet account on it. You can find your USDT here, search for USDT TRC20, for example. USDT, you can find TRC20, any of them. So once you pick it, just activate it like that. Then you can find your USDT on it. This is very simple and easy to use. Do you understand? See you in the next video.